Hello and welcome. This is a quick guide to how to use the PH GCSE series, whether you're doing PH Maths, PH Biology, PH Physics, or PH Chemistry. The same simple approach applies. Let me walk you through it. There is a huge amount of GCSE material out there: textbooks, videos, past papers, apps, tutors, and it can be overwhelming. It's often hard to know where to start or what to focus on. The PH series is designed to cut through all that noise. Simple explanations, plainly told, giving you what you actually need to know for the exam. Nothing extra, nothing missing. Three things to lock in before you dive in. 1. Be systematic. Use a planner, use lists, know what you're doing each week and what's coming up next. 2. Do a little and often. Short, regular bursts of study land in your memory far better than long, unproductive marathon sessions. 3. Watch, listen, repeat. Again and again and again until it lands, until it clicks. A few common pitfalls to watch out for. First, don't take shortcuts. The more time you invest in understanding and practicing, the higher your success in the exam. Second, don't assume you already know it. You might think you know it, but until you've answered exam questions on it in all their different flavours, you don't really know it yet. Prove it to yourself. Do it. Third, don't over-rely on things like the equation sheet. They're useful backup, but memorizing the key formulas so you're not wasting panicking minutes flicking through pages in the exam, and gain a better understanding of what those equations actually mean and how they're used. PH Maths, PH Biology, PH Physics, and PH Chemistry, they're all designed as one system. Watch, listen, or read the explainer to check understanding, recap, and remind. Then practice. Practice with the many available past papers that are out there, or with the practice questions in our Mastery Workbooks. Then do it on repeat, right up to exam day. Head to phmaths.com to see it all in one place. A quick word about who's behind all this. Well, it's me. I'm not a teacher. I'm just a UK dad who happens to be a maths graduate. And I've spent the last 10 years helping my own young people do exactly what you're doing, with really great results thanks entirely to their efforts and a bit of guiding and steering. These materials are here to help students, parents, guardians, tutors, and teachers give structure to revision, to help find a way in, and to stop students feeling overwhelmed and not knowing how or where to start.